I've forgotten of dreams that just fell by the way. And the good life he promised ain't what she's living today. She never complains about bad times or the bad things he's done. Just talks about the good times they've had, all the good times to come. Your cheating heart will make you weep. You'll cry and try to sleep. Some of that steel. Again.
Everybody pay attention to the ending. Watch the ending. You ready?
Yeah.